Hi guys, good morning. This is Rani. I welcome you all to EduStar online session. We are seeing chapter 16 light. Is it so? Yes, previous session even we have completed this lesson. Today we are going to see the summary of light lesson and classwork homework part. Okay guys, let's see. First, you should concentrate on your handwriting. Whatever you have followed in the previous review part, you should follow that clearly. Okay, that rules you should follow clearly. Handwriting should be very neat and leave line and write. Use black pen for heading and questions, and then you should mention date. Okay, and use pencil for diagram, and label should comes on the right side of the picture. Can you get it my point guys? Yes, you should follow these rules while you are starting class book or while you are doing homework. Okay, yes, let's see the summary. Reflection, that means what? Reflection, that means what guys? Yes, bouncing back of light rays. Bouncing back of light rays. Light rays strikes on any places and then it bouncing, or any places, that means what? Smooth surfaces. Okay, reflected surfaces, and it bouncing back to the medium again. That is called a reflection. Is it so? Yes, I hope you are all remembering that points. And then that reflection is two types. That reflection is two types. One is diffuse reflection and another one is regular reflection. Diffuse reflection, that means what? And where it happens? It happens in the rough surface. That time that rays are scattered here and there. It moves on different direction. Is it so? Yes, the surface, if the surface is rough, that light rays which strikes that surface scattered or moves on different sides. That reflection is called what? Diffuse reflection. Okay, and that time only we have seen that diffuse reflection where it's experienced. We have experienced, yeah, in cinema theaters. Is it so? Yes, screen. Yes, and regular reflection, that means what? It happens in the smooth surfaces or shiny surfaces. That time we can get the clear image. Okay, yes, and then laws of reflection we have seen. The first law of reflection, that is what? The angle of incident. The angle of incident, that means what? I is equal to angle R. That is first law of reflection. And then second law of reflection is what? All the rays, the incident ray and the reflected ray and the normal, all the three are lie in the same plane. That is called what? That is second law of reflection. Okay guys, yes, the incident ray, the reflected ray and normal are lie on the same plane. That is second law of reflection. And then plane mirror. Plane mirror, the image how it will be? Erect and inverted, what? That is virtual. Erect, virtual and then upright image. And image reversed left and right. Is it so? Yes, that is characteristics of the image of plane mirror. And concave lens, it's produced which image? Virtual image and then upright. Is it so? And concave lens, how it will be? That curved. Okay, if the concave lens is curved inward at the center portion, it inward, curved inward like a cup or bowl. Okay, and then the thickest, that edges are very thick in nature. Here the light rays are how it will be? The light rays are spread out. Is it so? Yes. Okay, where and all we have used these concave lenses? Yes, cameras, eyeglasses and telescopes. And then a door hole. Okay, yes. And then convex mirror. Convex mirror, how it will be? The surface curves outward. The concave lens surface curve inward and convex lens curves face outward. That curve face outward. Okay, and then the reflected rays, they are spread out. Here focal point behind the mirror. Okay, the convex mirror point where it is, how it will be? Point where it's have pointed. Yeah, the rays appear that behind the mirror. Yes, characteristics of the image of plane mirror just before we have seen. And then lateral inversion. That lateral inversion, that means what? The image is formed in the mirror, that is left side of the object appears at the right side of the object appears left side. Okay, that is called a lateral inversion. This is the one of the characters of plane mirror. Illuminated objects, that is what? Illuminated object, they do not produce the light their own. That is called illuminated objects. Okay, for example, moon, where it get the light? From the sun. Is it so? Yes. Luminous object, that means what? It can produce their own light. Example, water, bulb, sun, and then star, and then living organism like a firefly. It's a best example. And then some type of starfish also can produce their own light. So they are all known as luminous object. Which one can produce their own light? They are known as luminous object. Okay guys, what is multiple reflection? Multiple reflection, that is where we have used periscope, kaleidoscope, and then barber shops. Yes, is it so? Yes, that is how the multiple reflections has happened. Yes, then we have used 2 or 3 mirrors to see our backside. Is it so? Yes. If we keep 2 mirrors, or if we incline 2 mirrors, that time it can produce 2 or 3 images. If we adjust the angle of the mirror, that time according to the angle, it can produce many images. Okay, for that we have seen one formula. Is it so? Yes, that theta by 360 minus 1. How many images can produce? For that we have used one formula. Is it so? That formula is what? Theta divided by 360 degree minus 1. Okay, that formula we can use to count the images. How many images are formed in the multiple reflection? Yes guys, what is periscope? That periscope, where it is where we have used? Yes, that soldiers. The soldiers are they hide somewhere, and then they are seeing the enemies. Is it so? Yes. And dispersion of light, rainbow formation we have seen. Is it so? That's called what? A dispersion of light. Passing sunlight through the prism, that are also example for dispersion. And light through the soap bubbles. So yes, that is we have played so many times. Is it so? Yes, that is soap bubbles. We have experienced that. Okay, if we look at the soap bubbles, that time we can see the colorful, that is colored color thing. Is it so? Yes, that is also dispersion. Example for dispersion. Dispersion of light on the CD. Yes, that CD also we have seen what? We can see the dispersion. Yes. And then human eye, just before that part 5 session, we have seen about the human eye structure and function. Is it so? Yes. And then cornea, that is what? Outer side of the eyes, transparent part. Okay, how many layers it consists? 6 layers. And then tear fluids on a cornea and protects the eye. Tear fluids covers the cornea. That cornea covered by the tear fluid, that only protects our eye. Okay guys? Yes. Sorry guys, here that eye E is missing. Please correct it that. Iris, it is a dark colored muscular structure. Is it so? Yes. I hope you all remember that points. Please, wherever you need, pass the slide and write it or copy down in your class work everything. Okay, and use black pen for heading. Here headings are mentioned in the purple color, so you should use black pen for that. Okay guys, and then I have given some pictures also to draw in your classwork note. Okay, eye anatomy pictures is there, Yes, this picture you have to draw in your note, classwork note as well as homework note also. Okay, classwork note once and then homework note also once. So see the homework part. Draw and label the diagram and read the lesson once thoroughly and get parents sign in your book, guys. Okay. Yes, be safe, stay at home. We will meet soon. Thank you, guys.